Alright guys, so some time ago, the taillight on this side went out. Jason called me like, it was like last year sometime. The taillight went out, so I replaced the bulb. Now I've had this one ever since, so I might as well replace this one. That way there's a new taillight, so I don't have to worry about it going out. And I can show you guys how to do it, since I didn't get to do it with that one. I was like, it was in the middle of the night, and I was hanging out with a friend, so I didn't have my GoPro or anything, so I couldn't show you guys. But with this one, now I can. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk here. First, let's take these off. That way it doesn't, fall. That'd be bad. We'll put it there. This also needs clean. Look, it's getting dirty. It's getting nice and dirty. That's what happens when it's daily driven. Oh gosh, I can't pop with one hand. There we go. All right. So the first thing you're going to need to do, if I remember this correctly, is pop these little buttons off. These little buttons that hold the interior trim in. Ooh, what are you? Oh, that's the mechanism that releases the hatch. Oh, okay. Anyway, here's these little buttons. You pop off. I probably didn't need to do that one. These, I think... Actually, no, I shouldn't need to do that. Cool. So, oh, there's my jack. Anyway, so this is the taillight housing, where everything's at. You literally just unscrew this. Once you get that unscrewed, there's a big old screw that comes out, so it's this huge thing. And then, you just pull the back off, and there's all the light bulbs. Super, super simple. Now, I'm probably going to have to lift up this floor and move it somehow, because this is going to need to get out me way. Oh gosh. Let's not break everything. Alright. Now right here is where the actual light panel is, in which case we can pull out the light bulbs. Now I also need to figure out which one is the taillight, so let me turn on the headlights real quick, that way I can find out which one the taillight is. But also, here's the spare tire, guys. This is the old spare tire, ye old good spare tire that, they didn't come with a pump to fill up. I also got water building up in there again. So my plug's kind of plugged. Or my drain thing is kind of plugged, so I'll have to undo that. But let me turn the lights real quick. Alright, so I got the car turned on right now. This is the tail light bulb. So that will equate to this one right here. So it's right in there. Let me see if I can get to it. There we go. I think I might need to actually remove that and make it a lot easier. So let me get a Phillips real quick. Alright guys, so while I was getting the screwdriver, I also took this out, by the way. Definitely gives you a lot more room to move with. I learned that these little tubes right here are actually drain tubes. So this actually comes from in here, so whenever water gets in here, it drains, it goes out the back of the car. And then that is actually from the sunroof. So I need to find where that's actually supposed to be connected and reconnect it. That's effectively what that is. I don't think there's any other place for the water to drain. I don't know. It's actually connected. I don't know why it's building up water then. I don't know. I might have to do a little bit more research on that. Anyway, now I have a wet hand and I'm dealing with light bulbs. That's not a good thing. Anyway, so with this off, I can actually fit to them. Look at that. There be the brake light bulb. is definitely very simple and easy to remove. You literally just twist it and pull. Like push it and twist it and pull out. It's very simple. So let's go ahead and install the new one. Definitely a lot, you know, better looking. All right. Your taillight bulb going in. There we are. Let's make sure she works. All right, so go and turn it on. I don't need to actually have it running. Turn on the headlights completely, and then, hey, it is on. Awesome. Cool beans. So it works. And then obviously, to put it back together, just undo the process you just did. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Oh, look at that. There's a little, that's like pristine. You see how shiny all this stuff is? This stuff's like pristine for whatever reason. That's awesome. Oh, it's actually attached in there by that. Huh. Yeah, this is my spare tire, guys. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, let me put this back on real quick. All right, so this hose is from the hatch. It piles up right in there, but it goes straight down. This hose, I feel like someone gave me the problem, so I'm gonna try and disconnect it. Maybe that's a good idea. It might not be a good idea, actually. I really don't know how to get the water out of there, though. Unless it's... What are you? Don't know what that is. I found it though. All sort of stuff down in there. This like feels very yucky. I don't know what is going on here. Should I try and disconnect this? Is this a bad idea trying to disconnect that? I don't know. It's in there pretty good though. Wow, there we go. This looks clear. I now hear water exiting the side of my car. Oh yes, there it is. I found it. All right. Unfortunately, I don't think that's going to get all of it though, because that's only up so high. Maybe? I don't know. Might actually get off. If it gets all of it, I'll be incredibly happy. Yeah, that's disgusting. That's happened to me a couple times before, but it's just kind of gone down on its own. I've never actually done anything to fix it. But hey, now to fix it now, yeah, it's completely going away. That's awesome. I'm going to check the other side after I'm done messing with this side. All right. Cool. Cool beans. Coolio. But anyway, the water's completely out of it, so I am going to put that hose back in that hole, if I can find it. Where's the hole at? There's the hole. All right. Hopefully I can get it back in there. That would suck if I couldn't. Oh, there it is. I found it. It's probably very dark down there. You guys probably couldn't see anything. But here's the hole. I found it. Oh, boy. Maybe. It is definitely the hole. I feel it. There we go. Put this back in its little retaining clip. There we go. Now it's drained of water. Yep. That wasn't important probably either way. Pull all that back down. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Yeah, this car needs vacuum badly. Alrighty. Now that I got all that in, these buttons can be kind of fun sometimes. From what I've seen of trying to do. Actually, this is going very well. I shouldn't have said that. This last one's probably going to be hard. No? Alright, cool. Now let's check this side. Move everything out the way. Yeah, that's good. Cool.